ngoba bengicela bangisize nginida ama-answers.
Kanjani? Ngicela ukubuza bani LPS or a name similar to that in sound?
Absalom.
Tatakho.
Baba.
Okay, because I've got that male energy. Evelileyo ke. Tata wakho coming through. I just want to confirm.
Okay.
Kuthi tata washona.
Yes.
All right. Ngizocela ukukunikeza iBhayibhile.
Okay.
Uzovula randomly. Ukhombe kodwa wena ufundi and then unikeze iBhayibhile and then mina ngizakufunda ilizwi lakho singene ke ezindabeni zakho. Okay, one. Anyway. Ungafundi, don't think about it.
Okay.
Okay. So, Psalm 139. Before getting in kwindaba zakho, ngubani lo wayiphangela mine? Because I'm picking up another male energy now of someone wayiphangela emine okanye ke similar environment but umuntu wayifaka i-safety vest. Fake ne overall masiphangele. The blue overalls with reflectors.
Umuntu oyesebenza ecompanyini egqoka ama-overalls wakumyeni wami.
Okay, umyeni wakho ufike ke wadiliza because I was just focusing on utata. Umyeni naye is departed.
Yes.
Okay.
2021.
All right. So meaning ke ngoku sinesikhwele apha of amadoda bomini bakho. Tata wakho umyeni wakho. So I need to be able at least ndibahlukanisa okanye try to at least calm down. Bangathi ndiconnecta komnye kuvele nomnye. But before ke ndingene into calming them, mandifunde ilizwi lakho. So utyhilele ke Psalm 139. Anda ke umqolo othi, for the director of music of David, a psalm. O Lord, you have searched me and you know me. You know when I sit and when I rise. You perceive my thoughts from afar. You discern my going out and my lying down. You are familiar with all my ways. Before a word is on my tongue, you know it completely, O Lord. You hem me in behind and before. You have laid your hand upon me. Such knowledge is too wonderful for me, too lofty for me to attain. Where can I go from your spirit? Where can I flee from your presence? If I go up to the heavens, you are there. If I make my bed in the depth, you are there. If I rise on the wings of the dawn, if I settle on the far side of the sea, even there your hand will guide me, your right hand will hold me fast.
Psalm 139.
Lamandeli's love. And with that said, I don't think indaba zakho zizabande because ilizwi lakho is that clear and that beautiful in the sense yokuthi no matter where you go, I am there. And again, in this case, the Lord ngalamadoda mabini alwisana ngoba dominant ebomini bakho. So meaning utata wakho is there walking and protecting you all the way. Your husband is also there working in unison no tata wakho. Funny enough, as much as ndingenothi ngabantu abalwayo kakhulu, but ngulona ufuna uba nobango. So each one wants to have a better position in terms of protector and guider or shield ebomini bakho. No matter what happens, they are there. And xa ucela bayakuva. Whether you sit or you rise, whether you lay down or you get up, they hear you, they are present. But however, I am picking up a spirit or rather an energy of a teenage boy. Between the ages 16 and 19 at most. Okay. Ovezwa as a child, abafuna protect. So as much as I was talking to you about you being protected by them, but umyeni wakho particularly umphakamisile as somebody that also needs to be protected, as if ngumuntu lona who's going through some struggles, umntana lona who seems very withdrawn to an alarming point because indlela a withdrawn ngayo, it's scary. Ingathi ngumuntu lona who would even self-harm. any trauma that he's gone through that would push ezo zinto?
Now lately nje somntwana withdrawn. Okay, yena uyafunda useyunisa ne but nje somntwana nje uhlala azivalele ekamereni uyabona. Ngoba usisi wami wazowasho wathi ayi lento kazama okuhle ayingijabulisi. Ubehavior ngazuthi umntwana one depression uyabona. Inkinga yakhe ukuthi umntwana ongakhulumi. Kodwa nje ngiyabona ukuthi wathinteka makuhamba lo dad wabo omncane.
The trigger is losing his sister. That's why engulamtu anguye. And the brother, they tend to be very overprotective of their little sisters. So cacile ngimxhelile lonto akakhulu. In fact ke kuzaba nzima but ndiyacela to try and talk to Changwan kuzama kuhle umzukulwana lona because the way anvezela ngayo ungumntu who is nyane so withdrawn to a point I'm sensing self-harm. So ingaskide ingakeli apho. If ikhona into amhluphayo makafumane umuntu azawuthetha naye that they can trust. It's not easy ke umuntu ongathethiyo naturally to force them to talk, but the way aphakanyiswe ngayo is very much worrying. Ingaske afumane uncedo or at least a shoulder to cry on before kube kwenzeka okubi okanye before kuphinde kufike ilifu elimnyama phakathi nekhaya. You're probably one of the few people that I've read who are coming through just this simple, this clear, and this light in terms of ukhanyo uhamba nako. And umuntu ozawuvelela kwezihlwele ezingazi kakubi but just to reassure you ukuthi they are there. Ndizawubuza ke if ikhona mhlawumbe enye into ubufuna uyibuza or
I know kwamanje I'm satisfied.
Ngokutsho ke ngokutsho ke ndizawuyivala ndithi kuweze kube chose kubele kubhanga ubumnyama kufela ukukhanya phezulu kobomi bakho kuchume kwande cimakho.
Okay, ngijabule kakhulu noma ukuthi angiconnectise nobaba ngoba Absalom ubaba wami ongizalayo. So nje uthe maye pick up I spirit sakhe ngijabule kakhulu because it's been a while ubaba ngasangifikeli nami emaphusheni.
Into ke ethe yavela kwi-reading ka mama uDelisile ukubonakala engumntu okukhuselekileyo, highly protected ke by the important men ebomini bakhe ngokuvela ke kutata wakhe novela ke umyeni wakhe.
Ikhethiwe Mahlasela ke ngolletse tseleng hobaneng ke na le mathata spiritually a ke tsebe hobaneng ke na le bothata bo ba ho bona dintho tse batho ba sa di boneng wa bona.
Wena mang mama?
Ke nna Khethiwe Mahlasela.
Seneme ena Mahlasela ke mang ke mama o ke papa?
Ke papa.
Ya habo mama?
Ke habo mama ke Phamothi.
Phamothi. Ke tlelwa ke meboya ya batho ba ba tlhokofetseng. Go na le somebody a tlhokofetseng ka mo ntlong and a re go tlhokofela ka mo ntlong that house ya ba ya le gore a ya tlhatswiwa o a ya cleansiwa. Ke mang motho a tlhokofetseng ka mo ntlong?
Mo ke dulang ke ntatemoholo.
Ntatemoholo wa hao?
Ntatemoholo Mse.
All right. Moya o bua le wena e no ba fela wena o na le ntho ile gore re tla re it's a buffer. Motho ha thoma ba tla o bua le wena and wena le ena le sa utlwane and a batla o ba le connection le wena mo semoyeng e etsa gore wena o tlallane o thoma o kula o be le di moods o be le so ka mo khontho e tlhahang kutlishiso ke gore e tlisa pressure mo go wena and if no na le ntho ya gore motho o butsi moya no o tla khona go utlwa khalemelo ya ntatemoholo o le ntho tse a di buang. But now this thing is not happening. Now it thoma you kudisa in such a way ya gore o fila o kare ibile gona le motho a tshwantsa o thibulle neo ya semoya. ne now go na le taba ya gore go na le neo ya semoya, but neo ya hao ya semoya e blokiwa ke motho o mong o a imeng mo pele a iketsa motswadi o ileng wa hao ka baka la gore o bontsha ka nnete o le an orphan ho sna motho o ile gore ke motswadi a tla nkang a re badimo le re le batla ngwana ka a etse eng. Now e feletsa e tlisa ke motho o mong hape wa mosadi o wemelang pele ha tsamaya le wena o ka re o batlela thuso gore re khone ho tlisa bophelo ba hao bo ya kae and why bo stakile. But if motho o batlela thuso ntho ya hao e tshwanetse e be le rene tshwanetse e lokisitswe by the time o fetsa o le high school. Ka baka la gore ke bona e le mo dilo tsa hao di senyehile mo teng by the time o le high school wa thoma ho kopana wa opewa ke tlhogo wa fila o ka re batho ba matlabe ba re o stage but o tseba gore go na le ntho e wena o e lwantshang ka mohare. But he motho na tshwantsa o batlele thuso o tsamaya le wena a etsa fela just an information collection and a dula ka yona. By the time ba re tlisa ngwana a tloeletswa so motho o re he e tlogele ene ke bona e le a maternal figure mo bophelong ba hao, somebody a nkileng position ya gore e be motswadi wa hao. And so ntho e leng teng a se gore a una neo but a se nako ya hao ya go practice this spiritual gift e batho ba buang ka yona. Ka baka la gore ntho e leng teng mo go wena ke taba ya gore ntate mogolo o tshwanetse go cleansiwa motse. Ra tsa moya o wa ntate mogolo o wa tsama wa ile robadisiwa hantle. He moya ona o robadisiwa hantle o ka se be le di conflict tsa di messaging ka baka la gore le gona mo le dula mo teng a le utlwana ka baka la ona moya wa ntate o ene le ha khalemela ha utlwa ha le yena self. Now the other thing e le gore e bother ntate mogolo o ke taba ya gore batho ba sebedisa presence ya hae in a wrong way. Motho mong ha batla go controlla wena le di actions tsa hao o tla re ntate mogolo na ka serate ntate mogolo o itse skirt ntate mogolo, so everybody o project ka mo ntate mogolo na tla batla go phethelwa ka teng but a re mo robatse. And this is what is causing the big confusion ka mahara ha motseo. Ke tlela hape ke another spirit ya motho mong wa monna not too old, a bit young. Mara motho wa teng o tlhokofala a bethilwe a shapilwe mo tlhogong and a ba collapse, and from there on ya ba le gore ke motho ile gore o thoma the journey to go on to the other side. Ke mang a tlhokofetse go tseleng o a shapilwe mo tlhogong?
Abdi Tshepo.
Ke botwa ha
mamaka
o shapilwe ke batho
gona re tseba hlabiwe ka thipa.
Because motho na ha bua le nna o re moya wa ka a wa treatiwa ka mokgwa o no tshwantse o treatwe ka teng. Ene ke motho ile gore na batla gore a iletswe dintho hantle according to borangwane ba ka mohae bo batho ba bo side ya bontate wa hao, but go ba le go se utlwane mo and ho sa utlwane he by the time a bolokiwa yetsa gore a be a ngale. So moya wa hae ke motho a setsa ngadileng a re if le paletse go utlwana ka ntho e basic ha kana kana by the time ba ntse ba re ba phutha moya wa hae as motho a tlokofetseng ha botlhoko e ba ile gore le ena self o ngalla the person a mo utlwiseng botlhoko, but o ngalla le the weight family it treated this thing because you could not even lutlwane from the mother side and even the father side, and omolomong a yetsa o ka re lesole it's about themselves. And ya affecta abuti o mo ile gore mo a le mo teng a re le tla re le feditse go lwana somebody a nkgopole a tla a ile nthobatsa hantle hanko molora abuti
ina lo molora yena ke molora the last time ane ke molorile amfa chelete o mfile 10 rand le 50 rand tene khathiwe ka mo mathupo mara yena na tlile a thabile mara ke bona le diaparo tsa le nna ka na simo se mo se shapo le a rena o sebetsa tsa ka fa chelete teng ka re o sebetsa o santsane o ba busy nyana ka something nka re no entse something mo jarting like sort of sebetsa site la bo papa
Yeah. Because the politicking etsagetseng around batho ba ile ne ba tshwantse be di guide tsa banna. Some people knew very well hore he ntwena etsala, because it's not the first time motho wa rona a tlokofala a le strateng a victimiziwa ke batho ba bang. Mara it had to be done in a way ya gore e opise moleko from continuing. Now mo torong ya hao ho mmona o mona ele motho ele hore ke motho a le makgasa, but ha batle go tshosa. And because ho na le ntwe ya gore o sensor the frequencies, mara o sa tsebe gore how do I communicate with them, o tlholehile go no bolella gore tšhelete e etla ne tšhelete he etla mo wena o itse gore e tlo bakiwa. That is why the cut ka baka la gore whatever se wena o se tshwarang ka mogare ga matso a gago se ba le ntwa. Batho ba bang ba o dutse le bona a ba batle wena o tswela pele. So now tšhelete e tlo bang teng mo matsong a gago ke yona ntho ya gore o tshwanetse o ye back letse mosebetsi wa go yo mo robatsa hantle. Now this is the second person wa monna a tshwantse a robatswe hantle ka mo familing. Taba ena ya hao ya Neo, it's not urgent. And as ntho yo palisang bophelo, ntho yo palisang bophelo ke ntho e tleng ya o thiba matlo gore o tlholehe ho ya sekolong le go fetsa sekolo sa hao. And ke ntho yo utlwisang botlhoko gore why o tlaile o le ngwana a leng bright, ana le thagasello, ana le maikemisetso, mara wa feletsa ebile o palla go ya sekolong. It is not like no tla palla go ya sekolong o skhethiwe. Ke gore batho ba maka mo family ba o jala sitse ba re why a tshwantsa ye sekolong a itsama a ilo phala bana ba rona na ba o kwala. Now you utlwisa botlhoko nthweo. O feleditse ka sekolong
ke entse matric mara zanka e fetsa e be le hore he ke ya go sesa ro dipoti sanisi le teng a zanka fetsa.
Yeah, because ho kena mona ke bone o apere diaparo tsa motho e le gore ke nurse, and then go tlo ba possible gore o fetse. Go tlo ba possible gore o fetse. The spirit was telling me gore somebody is going to pick you from mo community le tsa volunteer work. And o tlo rata a bona le ka mogho o nang le thabo le thagasello ka teng, because that part of you is shwele. How sana anything, o feel like you lost all hope. But in that wa hao mo a le mo teng wa o lwanela. That wa hao mo a le mo teng o re ke a o rata, and wena o tlo ba ntho wena o tshwantse o be yona. Future ha o gore e be bright ke setse ntate mogolo le o botitsepo ba go leboga for mosebetsi o wena o tla be o ba leditseng ona. Tšhelete he tlo tsena mo matsong a hao o ska nahana dilo tse ngata a se wetsa anything. Ke a go eletsa batho ba mosebetsi once they have rested na mo batlotlang ba tlo busa ntho tsa hao, and somebody will pick you up from the community a o bona gore ntho e le mo tlhogong ya hao e khanyang, it is worthy to be investing on it, and somebody will invest mo go yona. When you are wearing that diaparo tsa bonnese ba hao, it will be much easier gore o bule mpho ya hao ya healing ka mokgwa wa semoya ka baka la gore you would already be doing the healing work, but o tlo ba le a lot of joy mo bophelong ba hao. Hona le putsiso e batlo e botsisana?
Ne ke kopa go botsisa ka taba e ya aneke because ntho teng e qadile ha ne ke rapela e be le re ke a tsamaya ke ya ko kerekeng ke fihla ke roka moruti ko ene ke mbotsa gore a mfe dikhiya tsa kereke e be le re moruti ne ikwalletse go tle ke late dipitsa Shoprite e ka be e khoziwe ke eng.
O no le ka mahara ha trans o fitse ka re go na le ntho ngwe yo kukang e yo wetsisa ntho tseo
ne tse kukla voice re two sales ska fela matla wa bona a ne ke tswa kerekeng.
And then ke motho o mmitsang mangwane wa hao o dula ka mangwane wa hao?
Mona ka o dula by two ke mangwana o dulang Tshepisong. E mongwe o dula ko Anadale.
O a kenang kereke ya teng ba re ba sebedisa
ya
okay
kana
all right. So because ke ntwe ke sensang go na le motho a khonang go bona neo ya hao le gore e ka fitla go kae ne ene in go bona neo ena ya hao o e sebedisa in a way ya gore a khone go controlla ka yona a khone go bua something mo ka lebitso la hao ba o bitsa ka yona lebitso leo ba tsentsha moya o ile gore o tla wetsa o ka re o wa bona o wetsa ntho entle but e le ntho e le gore e tlo utlwisa botlhoko because people ba tlo bona wena o le lenaba ene le wena o sa fidi ke ntho o e tsebang kana motho ha na le letlozi wa tseba gore le ke letlozi ntate mogolo chauke ona ke letlozi nkgono mabala but wena ho sna a foundation ya gore ma motho a wetsisa ntho tseso and eba o kare you are an angel of spirit but motho mong a o sebela a berekisa anya kolwa dipolitiki tsa hae tsa gore yena a be le status mo le moteng this person a o sebedisang a leng ka mahara kereke a phela a etsa gore ba botle re ba tlo joina kereke modimo o re ene re mmona o kare ke motho wa kereke ke motho ile hore ha o sebedise hantle and it is exactly what I was talking to you about ke bona in the beginning hore somebody came in and intercepted your path ke mo kae ke ntlo e fehele re le a hae moteng hona le di pit toilet because ke bona hona le t-shirt e white e ile hore ya hao inkilwe ene ya bofiwa e bofiwa ka ditlhare ka moteng ba fitla ba yepela go morago ha pit toilet
ke go mahaeng
so hona mo ke hona mo ile gore o swapilwe bophelo ba hao bo bontle le sethitho sa hao le your own DNA motho no nkile skip I both a bya ka mona what's a version of you e ile gore ya remotiwa and that is why le matlo how sometimes in the monoho tsoga o feel o ka re matlo ha bon o ka re ona le e ruler e uthibile matlo ke setse ntho tse di wetsa halla mo busihong but this kind of episode they only happen to you every 3.5 months o tshwantse ba kra thuso motho mong a ilo rapella a tlisa badimo ba bantle ka mahara ha bophelo ba hao and I'll protect I'll tlapisa ka bafo e lo re tshwantse yo protect hore whoever tshwereng remote control ya bophelo ba hao e ska tlwe bereka lengelo ila hao ke ntate mogolo
okay
ke a leboha Mekete
ka lebo
Keti we ha tlhahella o bontsha e le re o na le nneo ya kalafi ya semoya le ho shumisha matsoho le profession ya bonnese ene re bolela le ena gore ke ntwe ke dumang be ke nyaka gore ke sekolong mara dilo ka moka di a tlhakatlhakana di tlhakatlhakantšha ke di family members tse le gore even though they had the capability ya go thusha ngwano they decided not to jwale ntho re ithutang yona mo ke gore bana ba nang le mpho e botse he shetse re tsamaya rena re le batswadi ba di-guardians re tsamaya ka mogo mo botse wa o botsisha gore e tswa kae mmereko wa yona ke eng ka baka la gore he re sa dire jwalo wo mollo mong o tšea their own personal agenda a abuser ntho e botse ya badimo